Hey everyone, welcome to Utopia Creating the Paradise. How are you all guys? I hope you all are fine and safe at your place. If you are visiting this channel first time, I would suggest you to check out my other videos, and if you like content, please like, share and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram for updates. So today let's explore. I hope you guys also enjoy along with us. And here I'm just taking a few things like jackets, water bottles, snacks, because outing means these things we need to carry. It is impromptu plan. Initially, we thought we'll have lunch and we'll come back. But the climate was good and kids will start exams. So before that, we thought let's visit some place. So discussion is going on for where to have lunch, which restaurant and what kind of food. So here we are, Oryx Village restaurant, and see what we got. Actually on the table they have put this placemat with Sudoku, and we all like to solve Sudoku. We couldn't finish Sudoku solving. By the time food is here, we ordered Alapi fish curry with parota. So after having delicious lunch, now we are heading to Al Karana bird watching spot, also called Al Karana Lagoon. It's about 60 km from Doha. We are almost reached. Here on right side, this is sewage treatment plant, and back of that there are lagoons. Lagoons are basically artificial pool. Before there were many lagoons, they used to dump industrial waste there, and because of there was deposition of sediments and some environmental issues started, so they decided to re-establish this area, and then they created three lagoons where they are collecting now the this water treated from sewage in the sewage treatment plant. This is clean water only. After treatment they are collecting here. First they provide water to city, and remaining water is collected in these three lagoons. And because of this water, nicely plants grown, and also this is the best place for birds. They just gather here. It is one of a peaceful place in Qatar, I must say, and the view also amazing. We are here post lunch time, but I feel early morning is the best time to visit this place to get some nice photographs of our birds and also ourselves. This is really beautiful place, and especially if you have a professional camera, then this is must visit place. We are trying to get some photos because we can see there are many birds, but unfortunately we went only with the mobile, no camera, so somehow we are trying, but no luck. Maybe next time. I would like to say just as this water is sewage treated water, don't think it is, the some smell is there or like that. Just it is better to avoid go in water. बिना किसी को जताए हर रोज अपना काम करता है सूरज, और मुझे याद दिलाता है कि जीत और हार दोनों भी ज़रूरी है। जितना ज़रूरी उभरना है उतना ही ज़रूरी डूबना भी है। Isn't it perfect for this place or this calming, peaceful place in Qatar? Oh my God, I'm in love with this place. It's so quiet, it's away from city, so peaceful. Okay, G, now we are back, and after spending nice time there, I quickly freshen up, and the first thing I'll do, I'll prepare tea. Yes, I'm big chai lover. Chai is getting ready. Meanwhile, here I'm keeping dal in cooker. I have taken masoor and moong dal. Okay, after having chai and kids had milk, now I'm again in the kitchen. Today I will make simple dinner dal chawal with beans stir fry. So dal is already cooked now. In Nutri Cook itself, I will put rice. Okay, now let's make dal. In a pan, I have taken oil. Once oil heated, added mustard seeds, cumin seeds, some curry patta, garlic, and some chilies. Also, I'll add some coriander here. After sauteed for 1 minute, I am adding turmeric, asafoetida or hing, and then goes dal. Just give it mix. Adding salt as per taste and 1 spoon jaggery. Here I have taken some beans and I'll just cut in big sizes. Okay, now dal is cooked. I'm mixing it again, and finally I will add some coriander. Now to make bean stir fry, I have taken one pan, some oil. Once oil heated, I'll add beans. and then I'll saute for 1 to 2 minutes, adding some salt. Cover and let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Here I am checking again. If beans are not yet cooked, again I'll cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Yes, this is done now. Now adding some chaat masala, and that's it, it is done. Rice also done 5 minutes back, but I'll keep for some more time so that the pressure will go by itself. Meanwhile, I'll clean up all vessels. Every day I use dishwasher for cleaning vessels, but sometimes I give break for that, like once a while, once a week. I don't use dishwasher. I'm roasting some papad. I'll roast these papads in microwave. Just kept one tissue, and above that whatever 3-4 papad needed, that I kept, and for 1 minute I'll microwave it. That's enough. So our simple dinner is ready. Hot rice with dal and beans. And very important, ghee. Okay guys, who all are fan of dal, chawal, ghee? Just comment below. Okay guys, this is how we spend our day, with some simple dinner, delicious lunch and outing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If yes, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. Stay tuned and take care. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.